Hi, how are you? Welcome, and let's learn together. So this is Grammar Table 1.4, Simple Past There plus be, presentation and practice. So we already know the past tense of the be form, the simple past tense of the be form. And now we're just going to practice it with there. So it's really not too difficult of a concept. Remember, simple past of be is was when it's singular. Okay, here's our example. There was plus singular subject. Okay. And then there were plus plural subject. You know what singular means? Singular means there's only one. Plural means there's more than one. So here's our example sentences. First with the singular past, simple past tense. So remember it's there plus be. There was evidence of cheating. Okay. The other evidence is singular. We know that non-count nouns are always singular, always have a singular form. Evidence is non-count. There were plus plural. There were many different versions. So here this word versions of the crime. Okay. Now, instead of going through and doing another example with not, because I think you guys really have it, and I was going to do an extra video with it and make you do exercises again. I'm not going to. I'm just going to make sure that you remember that if you want to make something negative, all you have to do is put it not, N-O-T, after the verb. So if we wanted to make these negative, it would be there was not, oops, there was not evidence of cheating, and there were not many different versions of the crime. Okay. Also, we learned we could say it the other way. When it's academic, there was no evidence of cheating. Okay. And so I'm not going to do a whole other lesson on that because we already did it. So what we really need to focus on here is, sorry, I think I said that really fast. We already did it. So what we need to focus on is if it's a singular subject, simple past with it is was. If it's a plural subject or simple past for the be verb, it's were. So let's practice. As always, we'll do the first two together. You'll also notice that these are the same examples, okay, that we used before. Okay, so let's do the first one together. So we do need to locate all of the subjects, right? Is this plural or is this singular? This is plural, so we know it has to be there were. There were many meatballs in the soup yesterday, but today there are none. Okay, I'm gonna underline or highlight that. I like highlighting. Feel free to underline or highlight whatever you want. Let's go ahead and do number two together. Let's take a look. What's the subject? What's this here? It's coming after the verb. It is singular. So we need to have was, right? There was a desk in the classroom yesterday, but today it is gone. Okay, so please pause the video, finish doing number 3 through 10. And when you're ready, we'll come back. Please come back and I will share the answers with you. And I want you to make sure that you got everything right and review your answers after you try them by yourself. Okay, so just remember, ask yourself, is this plural or is this singular? Does it need a singular was or does it need a plural were? Okay, so here are the answers. I'm going to go ahead and start reading them. Number 3, there were rocks in my boots yesterday, but today there are none. Rocks is plural, we need that plural. Were. Number 4, there were many worms in the dirt yesterday, but today there are none. Oh, okay, so worms is plural, we need that plural verb. Number 5, oh, again, I made that mistake, I'm sorry. That's funny because it's like, ants are the bug. The other one is the mother of my sister, so. Number 5, there were ants on my plate yesterday, but today there are no, again, ants on my plate. Next one, number 6, piano is singular, so we need the singular verb. There was a new piano in the classroom yesterday, but today it's gone, right? It is gone. Number 7, let's take a look. Sponges, we see that's plural, so we need the plural verb. There were 2 sponges in the sink yesterday, but today there are none. Here for number 8, we see birds, so we know we need to use the plural. There were many birds in the trees yesterday, but today there are none. Number 9, diamonds, plural. There were 6 diamonds in her necklace yesterday, but today there are none. Oh no, someone stole them. And number 10, we see that it's squirrels. There were a few gray squirrels in the trees yesterday. Today there are none. Okay, and so we're not going to spend any time with making these negative because you know what to do. All you have to do is add not after the verb. That's it. Okay, thank you. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you next time. Oops. Bye.